Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart back at Ore Creek, Hartland Middle School, here in Hartland, Michigan. And it was a beautiful day. Got to speak to the 7th and 8th graders all about positive life choices, being our best selves, and really that anything we face in our lives, we always keep our head up. Like the shirt says, upside down on purpose, that if we look down or feel down, it reads keep your head up. It's a reminder that no matter what we go through, what someone else says to us, whether they say that you're not good enough or can't do something or not smart enough, that you're not enough, we don't believe those lies and we focus on our own abilities, on our own worth, and our own potential. And it's heavy on the heart coming back here. My first school assembly ever was back in 2008, and it was at Hartland Middle School right here. And so it's kind of a reminder to myself even that, I've pushed through a lot of job changes and just things in my life where people, told me I couldn't do this. And now over 10 years later, I come back and get to share my heart again where it all first began. So that's pretty amazing. And so today, going through a lot of other people, famous people too, that have failed, over and over and over and over again just to finally succeed, that the opposite of success is not failure, but it's quitting, giving up. And as long as we don't quit, then we can't truly fail, right? And to remember our own abilities, our own worth again, that all of us have the letter M etched on all of our palms. M for miracle, upside down W, that we're worthy of love to give it and receive it, and that as true leaders that, once we master something, whether it's math or science or gym or anything that we're really good at, now we go help someone else and help lift them up higher than ourselves. And that's really truly being our best self, that we let go of these negative beliefs that are holding us back and replace them with positive ones. And that once we believe that we can do anything, which is true, and once we succeed, then we also help someone else succeed too. That we keep raising each other up, and that together we can do so much more and accomplish so much more. So thank you guys for touching my heart. You guys are beautiful. Never forget that you're all true miracles, and that you guys can do anything, change this world, and accomplish whatever you put your mind and your heart towards. Until next time, much love, peace.